Hello and welcome to the Cheap and Easy Cooking Show. Today we'll be making grilled cheese. Optional items are parsley and butter. Have a surface to lay down your bread. Like I said, butter is optional. Cheese is not. I'm going to add my parsley flakes. And they should look something like this. These are great for parties, snacks. You can make a lot out of this bag of cheese and this loaf of bread. And believe it or not, we're going to cook these in the air fryer. On this particular model, I'm going to set it at 400 degrees at 4 minutes. This thing cooks beautifully and does not take long at all. Check it out. And they taste awesome. Of course, I got a sample one. Thank you for stopping by. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.